Good evening to one and all present here. Today I am going to present a topic on differences between goods and products and services. So earlier topic we have discussed on transformation process. So what is transformation? Which is nothing but transforming the raw materials, that is transforming raw materials into the finished products. So this transformation involves the raw materials into the input stage, and the output stage we call it as finished product. And value addition, what is the value addition? We are discussing on terms of what are the benefits which is arrived from the arrived to the customers after using of the product. Feedback, we are also discussing on the we have discussed like the fourth stage, it is all about the feedback. So input stage is the initial stage, second is the transformation stage, third it is output stage, and fifth it is the feedback stage. And the control, so we are having a control and evaluation, that is evaluation, it is called it as monitoring. Control, we after assessing the feedback, after getting the feedback from the customers, we are assessing in terms of we are collecting the data and executing in the innovation stage. This is called control. And monitoring, so evaluation, we are calling it as evaluation, whether the all the feedbacks which we have got has been assessed properly to attain the actual feedback. So parameters, see, these are the parameters on which the goods and services, that is products or services, will differ. We have the meaning, on the basis of meaning, nature, transfer of ownership, evaluation, return, and separable. These are the core 6 aspects on which the goods and services will differ. Meaning itself, it denotes the material items that can be seen, touched, or felt and are ready for sale to the customers. So here it is the services or amenities, facilities, benefits which provided by the other people. And nature, definitely we know goods or products which will come under the tangible. Tangible means which we can touch and feel the product. So this is the product, the end product or finished products can be touched and felt by the consumers. And intangible, which means the services which has to be undergone or felt, it can be measured in terms of qualitative aspects. Transfer of ownership, in terms of products or goods it is transferable, in terms of services it is not intransferable. And evaluation, it is very simple and easy because quantifiable. See, if in product, if we ask how many products you have been consumed throughout this month, for the month of March, I can say like 10 or 15 numbers I have consumed. But in terms of services we cannot quantify, but only in terms of quality we can assess. But these quality aspects cannot be asked directly to the customers. So services cannot be returned back once they are provided. We cannot return back, but the goods can be returned. This is the example. Inseparable, yes, goods can be separated from the one seller to the other. And the chain is also can be we can have alternate chain. For example, we can get some products from the manufacturer or from the wholesaler, even from the retailer, but the service operators will be no services can be operated from the service provider. So only through the intermediaries we can able to get the services. So we have other 5 more parameters, that is the variability. So products are definitely identical, so each product differs from the previous usage. Services, it is diversified. We cannot conclude or sum up this. We can list, this is the services you are going to sorry, you are going to get when you obtain this, but we cannot measure the satisfaction, actual satisfaction, because it differs from one person to other. Storage, goods can be stored for use in future or multiple purpose, but services cannot be stored. It is alive, it is a present, only we can able to assess the present status. Production and consumption, there is a time lag between the production and consumption of goods. Production and consumption of goods are not occurs simultaneously in terms of services. Quality wise, we have discussed this point earlier, that is quality wise it is easy to compare the quality of products, but it is difficult to compare the quality because we cannot ask the person whether the service provided, that is the satisfaction. For example, if we measure the satisfaction level, it cannot be measured directly. And quantity, it can be quantifiable, here it cannot be quantified. Most products are a bundle of goods and services. See, if you have like autos and automobile industry, hotels, see if autos, restaurants, consulting, see if you take an example, see these are the percentage of goods and these are the percentage of services. Here comes the consultants, restaurants, hospitals, everything which can be have a services. Here this automobile and hotels which will come under the which will also come under the production point of view. So this is the chart of, just we are quoting an example from previous slide, products and services chart. And what is, we also have hybrid organization. Some organization blend of service and manufacturing, that is we call it as quasi manufacturing organization. It can include both service as well as the manufacturing. Here we quote the example as a postal department, where here we have low customer contact and capital intensive is also measurably low. To summarize today's class, we have discussed on product, services and the hybrid organization. Thanks for listening.